Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share your phone screen and control it. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you have a ton of options, by the way, okay? But the option that I'm going to show you is the easiest one so far, and I've been using it, okay? This is not a paid partnership or advertisement, by the way, okay? I've just been using it because I love it, okay? It's named SCRCPY. So to download it, okay, just go ahead and go to your favorite browser and just type down SCRCPY, like so. Just hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on the ones from GitHub. And by the way, you can go ahead and use it by just using your Wi-Fi. No need for cables. But for this example, I'm just going to be showing you the easiest one, which is by using cables, okay? Now in here, once you have the page open, just go ahead and go to releases right here and just download the latest release, okay? Now once you're on this page, just go ahead and find your specific OS. Now I'm using Windows 64-bit, so I'm just gonna click on 64 right here. Win64, save it wherever you want, like so. Wait for the download process to finish. And once that's done, close the browser. You'll be able to see a zip file. Okay, so just right click on it, click on WinRAR or 7-zip, extract files to desktop or wherever you want, create a new folder of course, and just hit on OK. Okay, here we have it. So what we're going to do is just double click on the folder, double click once more. Okay, so what you're going to do next is just open up a setting on your phone, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, on your phone, go ahead over to settings. Now go ahead and find or scroll all the way down and tap on about a phone. Now in here, just go and scroll down a bit and find the software information. Now go ahead and tap on build number 7 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you'll be able to see a developer mode option. So just basically enable it. And once it's enabled, go back, go to developer options right here. Scroll down and find USB debugging, enable it, okay? Once that's enabled, go ahead and plug your phone to your computer using, of course, a USB cable, okay? Plug it in. Now what you're gonna do once that's plugged in, okay? Once your phone is plugged into your computer, just basically run this SCRPY application. Double click on it, okay? And you'll be able to see this command prompt. Just wait for it, and once that's done, you can now use your phone using your mouse and type down anything if you want to be just using your keyboard, okay? That's basically it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.